Hi there, thanks very much for joining me. I'm Dean, this is Woodwork Journey, and today is all about kicking off the 2026 year of woodworking for you, the DIY home woodworker who's been sitting in the house quite a lot through the crappy weather and is just looking forward to getting started. So the clocks have gone forward, the weather is starting to improve allegedly, and so now it's as good a time as any to get moving forward. So to do that today, I'm hoping just to throw together a really basic box. It's probably not going to be overly pretty, it's not going to be overly special, but it's just to get started. And that's what I want to try and sort of push you to do, because if you have been sitting at home thinking, oh, I don't want to go in the workshop, it's a bit too nippy, hopefully this will start getting you out there. So get out there, give it a bit of a tidy up, give it a bit of a clean up, and then get on with a super easy, super basic project like hopefully we're going to do today. And I'm going to try not to use very many power tools just because keep it easy, keep it straightforward. Now I am going to use my jig, just my saw guide that I did a review on ages ago. If you haven't got one of these, you don't need to. Use a handsaw, use a miter saw, use whatever saw you've got. Any handsaw you like, just it helps me cut straight. So let's get on to it. So I've decided to do something a little bit different with this video, for me at least, because the purpose of this video is to try and encourage you to get into your workshop after the winter layoff, to get out there and make something, when a lot of us are too concerned about making something great, making something that we can be proud of, making something special, not making mistakes, all of that sort of stuff. That weighs heavy, and when you've not been in the workshop over the course of the winter, then sometimes it can be a bit of a bugger to get back into the workshop. So hopefully this video is going to sort of inspire that, but in order for that to happen, I'm going to shut up. And some of you will appreciate that and some of you won't, but I'm just going to go with workshop noises through the rest of this video for the next 12, 13 minutes, whatever it is. And that's going to hopefully just be something that you can play in the background. It can be something you could play on your phone when you're in the workshop, a whole bunch of reasons. And hopefully you'll see some techniques that I use in this and think, oh, I've not tried that, I'll give that a go. But this isn't a tutorial because I didn't really know what I was doing, to be honest. I mean, nothing new there, but I didn't really know what was going on, so I was just kind of making up as I was going along. And because of that, I'm going to let you sort of figure things out. If you've got any questions in particular, then make sure that you do put them in the comments down below. But otherwise, just get into the workshop, make something, and do something to get you inspired again, to get you kind of into the idea of being in there. It doesn't have to be great. And this is the most unremarkable box, but it's a box that I made with hand tools and I absolutely loved it. And so there you have it. Unremarkable, plain, but everything was made with hand tools, and I loved the entire process. Hopefully this has helped you. Hopefully it's helped inspire you. If it has, please do let me know in the comments down below. But most importantly, get out there and get something made and get woodworking.